This is the 20-ounce stainless steel wine tumbler with a scented candle and more. I got this as a gift. I thought it looked pretty cool. This is what it looks like when it comes in the box and it has plastic wrapping on it. And it says, especially for you, best wishes to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Thought this was a pretty good gift idea. And when you open it up, here is your 20-ounce tumbler. I love you more. The end, I win. Thought that was pretty funny. And it's a good stainless steel tumbler and has the cap here as well. Slide to open, slide back. So that's pretty cool there. And then in here is dreams come true. The stars and sky will illuminate you. And right here is the scented candle. So let's check that out and see how it looks. Once again, the same thing here. And this is your sealed scented candle here. Ooh, smells really good. It's sage. I'm going to cover that back up. And then, last but not least, open one capsule and read the message inside. And there's actually 50 capsules here. That's pretty cool. They call them love capsules, not to be taken, just to be read. And that's the entire gift basket right there with your scented candle, your capsules, and your stainless steel wine tumbler. And I think the presentation is nice. I really like this good solid box and looks pretty cool.